Welcome to this how-to video. Today I'm going to explain you how to use our inter-process communication together with the software development kit Connect SDK. With your delivery of the PI camera and XI camera, you got also a complete software package of a software development kit, including all libraries. It's very easy to integrate the software package into your own programmed software. You can integrate the whole camera image into your software and also all signal processing signals. It's easy to use. There's no need to start from the beginning because we have many examples in the software PIX Connect. Today I have here one example. This is a heating plate and I have an object which is heated up here and I'm looking on this object with the PI camera. How can I activate the inter-process communication? That's very easy. You can go in the software PIX Connect to the icon of configuration. Alternative, you can also go to Tools, Configuration, and here you go to the tab External Communication. Activate the item Connect SDK IPC. You can use to import into your programmed software three modes. You can import the temperatures or the colors or the ADU values, which means the radiation energy. In my example today, I'm going to choose the color mode. You can also define the internal buffer size and also the timeout in seconds. Go to Apply and OK. Please notice that the software PIX Connect has to run all the time in the background or as hidden application. As I told you before, you can use the ready programmed examples on our software CD. To find these examples, go to the menu Help and to the menu point Connect SDK. Here you can find all libraries, DLLs, and also the project files for several program languages. In the folder Library, you can find the image IPC DLL, which you can use to communicate with your own programmed software. In this folder, you can also find several examples for several program languages like Visual Basic, C#, C++, or Visual C++. I'm going to explain an example in the project folder Sample Visual C++. So here you can find several program examples. I'm choosing here Start IPC2 Extensive. And here you can find all project files, header files, and also the libraries. In this folder, you can see the application file, the exe file. I start the exe file, and as you can see, I get now the complete camera image in my own programmed software tool, and I get also all signal processing values. I can also record a movie and stop a movie with the items at the bottom here. You can see that the communication works in a perfect way if you go to the software PIX Connect. Here you can see a small icon at the bottom of the status line, which shows you that the communication is online. You can find a complete documentation of the Connect SDK in the software PIX Connect. Go to the menu, Help, and to the menu point Documentation. Here you can find the folder Manuals. In the folder Manuals, you have the PDF document Connect SDK Description. This description shows you a complete initialization of the program code, so the init procedure and also the handling of the video frames and how to import the camera image into your own programmed software. It shows you also the signal processing import for all signals. As I told you before, you have to run the software PIX Connect all the time in the background. There's no need that you start the software PIX Connect in the visible mode. You can also start the software in the invisible mode. To do this, you go to the icon of the Optris PIX Connect software and you click with the right mouse button on the menu Properties. Here you can enter the command line which starts the software in the invisible mode. Here you can see the command line with the program imager.exe and then a blank slash and the word invisible. You can see in the task manager of your Windows system that the software starts already, but you do not see the software on the screen and in the task line. As you have seen before, you can import all software functions of the software development kit into your own programmed software in a very easy way. You can import the camera image for the PI camera and the XI camera, and you can import all signal functions of the software PIX Connect to your own programmed software.